Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this small and cute crochet star. It's very pretty and very easy to make, and if you like this star, stay with me till the end of this video. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are new in my channel today, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video update, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let's get started. At first, I will show you all the necessary supplies for this star. I will use cotton yarn and 3 mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of yarn with its recommended hook size, and I will use a scissor. At first, I will make one magic ring. Magic ring is done. Now I will make one single crochet into this magic ring. One single crochet, and now I will make one double crochet into this magic ring. One double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, 2 chain stitch. And now I will make one double crochet and one single crochet into this magic ring. One double crochet, and now I will make one single crochet. Here at first I make a magic ring, and then I make this group, and in this group I make one single crochet, one double crochet, chain 2, and then I make one double crochet and one single crochet. Now I will make 5 groups like this, and in each group I will make one single crochet, one double crochet, 2 chain stitch, and then I will make one double crochet and one single crochet. Here I make one group. Now I will make 4 more groups, and now I will make one double crochet, one double crochet. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make one double crochet and one single crochet for this group. One double crochet, and one single crochet. Second group is done. Now I will start the third group, and at first I will make one double crochet. One double crochet. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and now I will make one double crochet and one single crochet for this group. One double crochet. Now I will make one single crochet. Third group is complete, and now I will start the fourth group, and at first I will make one double crochet. One double crochet. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make one double crochet and one single crochet for this group. One double crochet. Now I will make one single crochet. Fourth group is done, and now I will start the fifth and last group, and at first I will make one double crochet. One double crochet. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make one double crochet and one single crochet into this magic ring. One double crochet, and now I will make one single crochet. Now I will pull this yarn. Now I will make one chain stitch, and now I will cut this yarn. My star is complete now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new crochet tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.